Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss topic 14.7 Basic Theorems of Boolean Algebra and Logic. First, 14.7.1. First is the property of 0 and 1. A part 0 plus x equal to x and 1 plus x equal to 1. The possible state of x is 1 or 0. Then 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. That is the operation of OR operator. The possible state of x is 1 and 0. Then 1 plus 1 equal to 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. 1 plus 1 true and true answer will be true. True and false answer will be true. This is the property of OR operator. Gate representation of A 0. Then second input is x. OR operator, the final output is x. In case of B, 1 plus x, that is the 1 and x is the input and OR is the operation, then the output will be 1. C part 0 dot x equal to 0, 1 dot x equal to x, 0 and operator x equal to 0, 1 and operator x equal to x. If x equal to 1, then 0 dot 1 equal to 0. If x equal to 0, then 0 dot 0 equal to 0. If x equal to 1, then 1 into 1 equal to x. If x equal to 0, then 1 dot 0 equal to 0. Or we can say true and true is true. 1, that is true, and false equal to false. Then topic 14.7 second law, idempotence law. X plus x equal to x, b x into x equal to x. In case of CBSE, the question is state the law and verify the law. Then first we give the two statement A and B. First is the x plus x equal to x, then x dot x equal to x. Then draw the gate structure. Plus mean or, dot mean and. Then we use the OR gate and AND gate. And prove it with the help of truth table. X plus x equal to x mean x is single variable that has the value 0 and 1. Then x is also the single variable, the same value 0 and 1. If we add 0 plus 0, final answer 0. 1 plus 1 equal to 1. That is the property of OR operator. Same the truth table, x dot x equal to x. X has the value 0, 1. Then repeat the value of x 0 and 1. So the result is equal to 0, false and false equal to false, true and true equal to true. That is the same answer. First column and third column are identical, or we can say x dot x equal to x. Then next topic, next law is involution law. It state x complement then complement of this equal to x, or we can say the double complement of any variable will give same input variable value. X complement, then complement, then complement, twice complement, complement to complement cancel, and final answer is x to x. Gate representation x, then x complement, then not operator which complement the state of input, then x complement, double complement, cancel the complement to complement, final answer equal to x. The truth table of x, complement, double complement equal to x, then x 0 and 1. The complement of 0 is 1, complement of 1 is 0. Then again complement it, so 1 complement 0, 0 complement 1. The last column and first column, the last column and first column both are identical. So we can say the double complement of any variable will give the same value of first variable, that is the input variable. This law is also called the double inversion rule. First column possible value of x 0 and 1, then complement of x, that is 0 1 1 0, then again complement of this to 1 0 and 0 1. Both first column and last column are identical. Next, 14.7.4 complementary law. This law states that x plus x bar equal to 1, x dot x bar equal to 0. Gate representation, that is the OR operator, then use the OR gate. Both input x and x bar, because we required x and x bar, then x not operator give the x complement. This is the input x and x complement. Then OR operator give the addition, then x plus x bar equal to 1. This is the AND operator, x dot x bar equal to 0. How we can prove it? With the help of truth table. The possible value of x is 0 and 1. The complement of x is 0, complement 1, 1 complement 0. The final answer is addition of these to 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. So we can say x plus x complement equal to 1. Then in case of AND operator, x plus x bar, the same is 0 and 1, 1, 0. Both are the complement. Then multiply these, 0 multiply by 1, 0, 1 multiply by 0, 0. That is the final answer, 0. So we can say complement of simple variable plus simple variable plus simple variable is 1. But in case of multiplication, x dot x bar equal to 0. Today we will discuss the 4 law of Boolean. Rest of law we will discuss later.